Cool, so we start this episode in amongst the chassis. So yeah, I've just finished bolting up the rear axle. Got some shiny new bolts. Had to order them because obviously there's 3/4 inch. Funny sizes. So yeah, I've just run a 19mm. Just run a bit through it just to clean up any crap that's in there. So yeah, we're just fitting some new bolts, and then we got some things to sort out, which I will explain in a minute. Right, dog. So, the bit that's bothering me is this crossmember, right? Because I never took the lorry apart, I just copied it from the old chassis, whereas this crossmember was facing outwards. So, as you can see, I've got a big hoop here, and I've got bracket bolts in there, comes down and bolts to the gearbox. But, in the book, it shows that bracket the other way round. But it all depends. It says there the engine and the gearbox. So yeah, I'm not too sure. So I've got to measure between the gearbox and the back of the engine to see which way round it's meant to go. But because I don't know what the gearbox is, because the plaque has gone off the top of it, I need to, it's either a GR870 or an 871, I believe, but I need to marry it up or get some measurements, see which one it is. If I put one of them on there as well. So now what I'm thinking is, if I get the centre of that on the back of the engine, work out how much the gearbox goes in, and then if I measure from there back to the holes, surely that'll give me the measurement that I want. So let's try that a minute. So got me straight edge, roughly. Just got it from the front bolt hole, back of it. That's not going to be right though, is it? Because it wants to be like that. So if we measure it from there to that, the back of it, just iron it up. Probably isn't the perfect way to do it, but it'll give us a rough idea. So 60 mil. So it goes 60 mil in from there. Right, so 60 mil. So from the front of the gearbox to the centre of that hole is 780 mil. 780 minus 60, so that's 72, isn't it? So 72. Right. On the ball thrown, Raven. Better keep the dog happy. What do we say? 72. around this side. Right. Straight edge again. That lines up there, that. There though. So if that was the other way round, I reckon that's the wrong way round, you know. Oh, I hope not. I really hope not. Right, so 78, yeah, to the front one. Minus your 60 is 72. So yeah, so 72 on that measurement up there is the back one. So what's it? Minus 82 minus 60. 82. No. It's from the front. Oh, idiot. So, that was right, wasn't it? If we measure that engine block from the front bolt hole, yes. So minus your 60, right, I do apologise, because I forget everything. 78 to that one, and then 81 and a half. So minus your 60, so 78 minus 60, 72 from the front. Right, don't forget, because I forget. So, where can I put you guys? Sorry, I will sort this out next time. And there, from the front one, that is 72. I think that is right. Let me get a straight edge. There. 70. Right, so centre of it, 72 is there. Centre of the hole. This is so cowboyish. 72. Which is that hole there. So that is the right way round. Oh, thank God for that. 72, and then it should be, we'll check the other one, 84. Is that 84? No, it was 82, wasn't it? Minus 60, which is something like that. 76, which it is 76. So that is spot on. So that amount is the right way round. Oh, I'm glad I haven't got to change that. It'd be nice to know what gearbox is. I shall go look at the other one, see if that's the same, but I'm not sure. So, perhaps it is true then. Because that wouldn't go the other way round at all, I don't think. Because if you see, the chassis tapers off there, and there's no gap in the bracket. You can see if I stand straight to the front of it, I think that bracket tapers anyway, so yeah, that is right. So here's the other box. This is a GR871, but as you can see, this one is mounted differently anyway. That one mounts so. Raven. So this is had, because that other bracket's got things, that other Crossmember's got bits welded onto it, which obviously where that sits, which is really strange, because a 143 mounts like that, and probably a later one, which, because you get a different hoop, you get like a more shallow hoop, so it seems odd why that one is like that. But yeah, so there's 871. Because you can't change back, well, you can change it from there. But being such low mileage on that rigid, I wouldn't really understand why they would have changed the box out. It's a bit odd, isn't it? Yeah. Another mystery. Okay, so with that other gearbox, it's a later one, which explains these brackets on the top, and then they 1, 2, 3 each side, like 143 or something like that. Or a later one to do. It's meant to bolt on the flat side there, but obviously they never turned it round, or I don't know why they would have changed it really, whether the old gearbox went wrong or something. I don't know, but it's meant to have like something like what I've got there. So at least we know that that is the right way round. But let me show you why I was getting a bit uptight about it. So this is a 2 Series brochure. We're going through. So there's a V8 with a box. There's the Crossmember. Don't eat me glove, dog. Which is facing the way that we've got it. And then if we turn the page, obviously that's a different cab. So I'm trying to shine the light. And then that Crossmember is facing backwards. But I think that's because that's a different box and a different engine. Is there any more in here? Yeah, there's another one there with that Crossmember facing backwards. I think that is it. But yeah, no, that's why I was getting a bit uptight about it, but I'm glad we sorted it and we don't have to drop the front axle out again and take all that apart. So yeah, which is good. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turf everything out, and I'm going to lay it all on the floor because I want to get, after this, blasted all the brackets and stuff. So I'm going to lay it all out and see how much there is to send away, and also make sure that we've got everything. So we've got most of it laid out here. That's about it, nearly. It's gone. I want blasting for now. Mounts, cab brackets, shock brackets, wing brackets, air tank holder, tank brackets, and the back obviously. So I'm just sorting out a few more bits to see what else I want to get blasted.